what's up, everybody?
You're watching Bulldog Brothers TV. That was Bulldog Miles. This is Master Everett. I'm Michael.
Today we have the Necrozma.
And today we have a Necrozma tin to crack open. So go ahead, Master Everett, do the honors. Yes.
And marshmallow.
Oh, you mean Marshadow? No, we don't have Marshadow. We have Necrozma.
But we do
Bulldog
have
Miles.
Marshadow.
And we do have a Marshadow tin to open, but not right now. Master Everett chose Necrozma today. He's feeling dark or something. So before you open it, let's head to the breaking cam here. Get a nice look at this bad boy. What we can here. Turn it sideways. There's a Necrozma GX in there. I know that.
Oh.
Necrozma.
Necrozma.
Gotta catch them all. All right.
2016.
Master Everett, pop it open. Let's get that Necrozma GX out. What are you doing here?
I'm gonna stand.
You're gonna stand? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, stand right here.
Why?
Give us a little room. Oh, easy, killer. Easy. That's a card. We don't want to.
There's a code.
So, first things first. Let's get to the code.
Get me some.
Mystery Powers 10. Necrozma GX. There you are. And there is that Necrozma GX. Very nice looking card. So that's one of the nice things about a 10. Not only is there 4 booster packs inside, but you get an extra code, and you know you got at least one hit on top. So you have this Necrozma GX Black Star promo, Sun and Moon promo, 5858. So that's cool. We'll set that there. Well, there's no Mewtwo pack art, Bulldog Miles, but you might pull a Mewtwo in your Evolutions pack. So what packs do we have? Let's show our friends watching. So Miles has a Pokemon XY Evolutions. We have a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, another Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. So,
and an Evolution.
So Bulldog Miles is going to do these two. He's got the XY Evolutions and the Burning Shadows. Meanwhile, Master Everett has another Burning Shadows and a Guardians Rising. So this should be fun.
I want to get the full art. This.
Okay.
Yeah, the full art secret rare.
You think it's in there?
The golden full art secret rare. That's what I want. I'm calling.
What is that? Is that the Pokeball or is it? I don't remember what it is in that set.
Ultra Ball.
In that
Don't tell. Don't tell.
Expansion set. I'm gonna take your code, okay?
Oh.
So here's the XY
Actually, I get a Mewtwo.
Evolutions booster pack code.
Not YouTube.
And let's see your cards. Boom. That looks pretty good right there. Weedle. Electabuzz. Drowsy. Staryu. Metal type energy. Oh, Miles, look at that. A reverse hollow Charmander. You want to hold on to that? And the rare in the pack is an Arcanine non-hollow, one of our favorites, but nothing shiny on that card, unfortunately. A Haunter.
Miles! Secret rare!
Miles, you got a secret rare, a flying Pikachu. This has been our week for Pikachu secret rares. We have gotten the surfing
Pikachu
and the flying. Did we get anything else? Is there any others? I think there's the toilet flushing and the...
Toilet flushing?
That's not one of them? Oh. I thought there was the toilet flushing Pikachu. Okay, so, but we have gotten like 3 of these this week. In the last... Watch our previous episodes from this week and... or the past few episodes, whatever, and take a look. We've gotten a couple secret rare.
Watch the.
Although I don't, maybe on Easter Sunday we got one. We didn't get it on camera, but still, we've gotten quite a few of these the last 3 days. It's been phenomenal. That's fun.
Wait.
And a coughing. So we'll set the flying Pikachu back here. That's pretty cool. And there's your we'll set our reverses right here. Start a stack, and here's the rest of our base. Now, Bulldog Miles, you have another booster pack here. Master Everett's getting started on his. Guardians Rising booster pack. So while you do the pack trick, I'll take the code. Some trash here. Set that off to the side. Here is your Guardians Rising booster pack code. Good luck if you're playing on line. You're going to guess water. I'm going to guess leaf. And it was electric. What are you going to guess?
Sudowoodo.
Rescue Stretcher.
Sudowoodo. Matang. Delibird. Trubbish.
That's a bunch of Trubbish.
Machop, Rockruff, Beldum, Vanillux.
That's a reverse hollow rare.
Yay.
Vanillux there. Very nice. Sort of a half hit, we call it here at Bulldog Brothers TV. And the rare in the pack is a non-hollow Swellow.
And I need to
I'll put your half hit over here.
I'm going to open my pack.
Go for it, Bulldog Miles.
Because it had a Mewtwo in it.
You think there's a Mewtwo in there?
Yeah.
Bulldog Miles really wants to see Mewtwo tonight. Mewtwo is a bad dude.
He's actually a good dude at the end of the movie.
At the end of the movie. You need. Oh, you got it. Can you crack it open there?
He does it so nicely.
He does. He does a good job, that Bulldog Miles. Good job, buddy. Right down the seam there. You'll be good. Pull here. Pull here. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Good job.
He looks like a pirate.
You think that guy does?
Yeah.
Hold on to those.
Oh, it's
Sun
like
and
that.
Moon, Burning
It's like
Shadow. You'd probably like to see that. Let's pull that up for you. Boom. There you go. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows code.
And this guy.
And now, what's the pack trick on this, Everett?
4.
And do you have a guess the energy? Do you want to guess the energy?
Fighting.
Fighting.
Water.
Water. I'll go leaf again. Here we go.
Fairy.
It was fairy. It is fairy type. Okay. The Rotom Dex. Super Scoop Up. Electabuzz. Sock. Esper.
Pansage.
And Porygon. The reverse, one of our friends, Stuffle.
That's
Isn't
a
he
nice
cute?
art. That's a nice
He's a
art.
common, I think. Yep. And the rare in the pack is, all right, Miles, a hollow rare Rhyperior. So nice job. That's a hit, big boy. So Miles essentially goes 2 for 2 because he had the secret rare Flying Pikachu, and now he has the Rhyperior hollow. So that's cool. He got a Hoot Hoot.
Yeah.
You recognize the Hoot Hoot, huh?
I love Hoot Hoot.
He loves Hoot Hoot. Hoot Hoot new. Alright, here we go. Enough puns. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows code. This is pack 4 of 4. In this Necrozma GX10.
Fire.
Can we get a hit? Can we get some last pack magic? You guess fire. I'll go water. Miles, do you have a guess the energy?
Yeah.
What?
Water.
You're going to go water as well, and it was metal.
I like metal. I like metal.
Electabuzz. Sophocles. Bodybuilding dumbbells. There's your buddy.
Hoot Hoot.
Yep.
And there's my buddy.
Meryl. Porygon. Charmander. Look, he's in a rainstorm. Could be outside in Indianapolis today. More lull. I need more lull in my life. Noibat is the reverse hollow. That's a common. The rare in the pack is non-hollow Mudsdale. Wah, wah. So let's go over what we did here. This is a Vanillux reverse hollow rare, so not bad that we picked up. Of course, in Bulldog Miles packs we had the Rhyperior
That's a sticker.
hollow rare, and then the secret rare Flying Pikachu. Very cool. And of course, right on top of the tin, we knew this was coming, the Necrozma GX Black Star promo. Well, thanks for tuning in to another edition of Bulldog Brothers TV.
I'm Master Everett.
And that was Bulldog Miles. I'm Michael. We love it that you're watching. And speaking of which, if you're watching, we hope you like this video. Go ahead and give us a like. And we want you to subscribe. What are you pointing at my face for? Who are you pointing at? What's happening on the show? Anyway, that's probably going to do it here.
Yeah, over there.
Who Bulldog Miles. He's over there? Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time. And as always...
Go.